Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how you can cancel your Flows add-on from the AiSensy dashboard. In case you have paid for a quarterly or a monthly Flows subscription, but you feel in between like, hey, this is not something which is required for my brand as of now, and you want to, continue it after some time, you can cancel your Flows add-on from the AiSensy dashboard. To do so, you need to log into your AiSensy dashboard with your admin access, then go to Manage, go to Billings and Usage, scroll down to the last, and there you can see an option of Cancel Flows add-on. Just make sure you click on Cancel add-on to cancel only the Flow subscription. If you click on Cancel Plan, this will cancel your AiSensy subscription along with your Flow subscription. So if you just need to cancel your Flows add-on, just click on Cancel add-on. And as you can see, this cancellation will actually terminate the add-on immediately, which means, let's suppose you have paid for a month's subscription for Flows, that is 199 rupees a month, and after 15 days you cancel the Flows add-on. So that is 15 days that you haven't used the Flows, but you actually have paid for it. That amount will be calculated on a pro rata basis, which will be subtracted from your subscription amount the next month. So this will be adjusted in your next month subscription, and this is not revertible for this. So you can click on continue, and this will cancel your Flows. So as you can see, you'll see a success message on the top. And now if you go to Flows, you can see your Flows is now cancelled. So if you want to unlock Flows after some time, you can click on just unlock flow builder, make the payment for the Flows that you want to take, like 5, 10, 15, whatever Flows you want to take ahead, make the payment, and the Flows will get unlocked automatically. So this is how simply you can cancel your Flows add-on from the AiSensy subscription. Thank you so much.